Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're all doing great and ready for another deep dive into the world of technology. It's always awesome to see you back here, and I'm super excited to share today's topic with you. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, this is the place where we break down the latest in tech, cybersecurity, and digital trends, making it easy for everyone to understand and use. Today we're diving into OSINT, open source intelligence. This is the fascinating art and science of turning publicly available data into actionable insights. Whether you're a digital investigator, a journalist, or just a curious mind, OSINT is a powerful skill to have in your toolkit. Over the past few years, OSINT tools have absolutely exploded in power and accessibility. Now you can uncover digital footprints, analyze online behavior, and even track down almost anyone on the internet, always ethically and responsibly, of course. The possibilities are endless, and the technology just keeps getting better. In this video, I'll break down 15 of the hottest OSINT tools you need to know about in 2026. I'll highlight what makes each one unique, how they can help you in your investigations, and why they're must-haves for anyone interested in digital sleuthing. If you love exploring cool tech, learning new skills, and staying ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you even more awesome content. Let's jump right in and see what's new in the world of OSINT for 2026. First up is Sherlock, a powerful tool that's become a favorite among digital investigators and privacy enthusiasts alike. Sherlock is a Python script designed to scan over 350 different websites for any username you provide. With just a single command, it quickly maps out where that username is registered across the internet, from popular social media platforms to obscure forums and niche communities. This makes Sherlock perfect for digital investigations, whether you're tracking down an online identity, researching someone's digital footprint, or simply curious about where your own handle appears online. Sherlock is not only fast and open source, but also incredibly easy to use. All you need to do is run a simple command, enter the username you want to search, and within moments, you'll get a comprehensive list of results, showing every site where that username exists. It's an essential tool for anyone building digital profiles, conducting OSINT research, or taking steps to protect their online privacy by identifying potential vulnerabilities. Plus, since Sherlock is open source, you can customize it to fit your needs or even contribute improvements to the project, joining a global community of developers. So if you're ready to start your OSINT journey or simply want to see where your username lives online, give Sherlock a try and unlock the secrets of your digital identity. Next, SpiderFoot. This tool automates deep reconnaissance on IPs, domains, emails, and more, saving you hours of manual work. It pulls from hundreds of sources, uncovering breached credentials, open ports, and social profiles. The dashboard organizes everything and visualizes connections between data points. SpiderFoot is perfect for threat intelligence and mapping digital relationships. Its automation and reporting features make scaling investigations easy. Think of it as your tireless digital research assistant. Maltego is all about visualizing relationships with stunning graphs and network diagrams. Mine data from social networks, DNS records, and even the dark web, then link it all together. Uncover hidden connections and patterns that manual searches would miss. The drag-and-drop interface is user-friendly, and you can import custom data or add your own transforms. If you're a visual learner, Maltego will transform your OSINT workflow. It's a powerhouse for mapping out complex connections. Social Searcher is a real-time social media search engine. Enter any keyword, hashtag, or username to instantly pull public posts from major platforms. It provides analytics like sentiment, engagement, and geolocation. Filter by date, platform, or language to narrow your results. Set up alerts for new matching posts. Whether for brand monitoring or investigations, Social Searcher keeps you updated in real time. Stay on top of online trends as they happen. Pipl dives deeper than standard search engines, tapping into social media, public records, and professional databases. Search by name, email, username, or phone number to uncover detailed digital footprints. Pipl connects scattered data points, revealing profiles, addresses, and work history. The interface is intuitive, with advanced filters for precise searches, ideal for background checks, fraud investigations, or reconnecting with old contacts. Use Pipl responsibly. These are powerful insights. It's your go-to for deep web people search. Intelligence X lets you search historical data leaks, dark web dumps, and blockchain records. Find info that's been deleted or is hard to access by searching emails, phone numbers, domains, or keywords. It pulls up compromised credentials, old forum posts, and leaked documents. Intelligence X shows you data sources and timestamps for transparency. The interface is simple: search, review, and export, essential for uncovering lost or hidden internet data. Recon-ng is a modular web reconnaissance framework favored by OSINT pros. Build your own toolkit by adding modules for domain discovery, social scraping, and more. It runs from the command line but is flexible and user-friendly. Integrate APIs like Showdown or Have I Been Pwned for even deeper data. Export results in multiple formats for easy reporting. Recon-ng is perfect for both one-off investigations and repeatable workflows. Customize your OSINT process with Recon-ng. Twint lets you scrape public Twitter data without API keys or rate limits. Collect tweets, user info, and follower lists at scale, all from the command line. Search by keyword, hashtag, location, or user, and filter by date or language. Export data to CSV or JSON for further analysis. Ideal for research projects or tracking Twitter trends. Remember to respect privacy and legal boundaries. Twint is a must-have for Twitter investigations. Have I Been Pwned checks if your email has been caught in a data breach. Enter an email address and instantly see if it's been exposed, plus details on the breach. Used by individuals and organizations alike for monitoring compromised accounts. Set up alerts for future breaches. It's a vital tool for digital safety. Hunter.io finds public email addresses linked to any domain. Enter a domain and get a list of associated emails, complete with source verification and reliability scores. Filter by department or role, and export results for analysis. Built-in email verification ensures accuracy. Great for outreach, networking, or research. Hunter.io streamlines finding and verifying email contacts. Lampyre is an all-in-one OSINT platform for deep data analysis and visualization. Process massive datasets from public records, social media, financial transactions, and more. Cross-reference emails, phone numbers, and addresses to map connections and spot anomalies. Visualizations make complex investigations manageable. Modular design tailors to your needs. Lampyre is your full-stack OSINT analysis solution. WhatsMyName checks if a username is registered across hundreds of platforms. It's community-driven and constantly updated with new sites. Enter a username and see where it's in use. No installation needed. Export results for reporting or analysis. Essential for mapping online identities and spotting impersonators. LittleSis maps connections between people and organizations. Think of it as a social network for power and influence. Search for a person or company and instantly see their network. Colleagues, donors, board memberships, and more. Visual maps make exploring complex relationships easy. Dig into detailed bios, affiliations, and timelines. Perfect for journalists, researchers, and transparency advocates. LittleSis reveals the hidden dynamics behind the scenes. BeenVerified is your all-in-one solution for people search, bringing together a vast array of public records, contact information, criminal histories, and social media profiles into one easy-to-use platform. Whether you're looking to reconnect with someone from your past, verify a new acquaintance, or simply satisfy your curiosity, BeenVerified makes the process straightforward and efficient. Just enter a name, email address, or phone number, and BeenVerified will generate a detailed report. These reports can include current and previous addresses, known relatives, employment history, education, and even possible social media accounts, giving you a well-rounded view of the person you're searching for. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, with a clean interface that works seamlessly on both desktop and mobile devices. This means you can access important information wherever you are, whether you're at home or on the go. With a subscription, you get unlimited searches, making BeenVerified an excellent choice for power users, private investigators, or anyone who needs to run multiple background checks regularly. However, it's important to use this tool responsibly. The information provided can be sensitive and should be handled with care, respecting privacy and legal guidelines at all times. BeenVerified is perfect for conducting background checks, reconnecting with old friends, or even verifying online sellers and buyers before making transactions. Ultimately, BeenVerified gives you a comprehensive view of anyone's public footprint, empowering you to make informed decisions with confidence. Last up is Skopenow, an advanced OSINT platform for automated reporting and deep analysis. Enter names, emails, or addresses, and Skopenow scours the web, compiling actionable reports. It automatically identifies connections, flags risks, and generates professional-grade reports. Advanced analytics include sentiment, behavioral trends, and geolocation. Used by law enforcement and security teams for fraud detection and threat tracking. Skopenow combines automation with rigorous analysis for serious OSINT work.